Coming to the screen to analyze your charts so that you can either enter or exit a market is one of the breaking or making moments in your trading career. And now I have a system that I use to do my pre-market analysis. So this is how my process works. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I have a free mentorship program. The link will be in the description, and let's jump into the video. So if we look at US30 today, I like to start, today's on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, that is when my week begins. Not hypothetical, but the week begins Monday to Friday. But to me, I like starting from Wednesday up to next week Wednesday. That way, I have a bias coming into the next week. So on Monday, if we look at what happened here, on Monday we have a high and a low. So this means that Monday sets the high and the low of the week. Now on Tuesday, something interesting happened. On Tuesday, price broke out of the low and then breaks out of the high, but closes outside of the range. So this is a failed breakout. So now we have a failed breakout at the low of the week. Now, if we have a failed breakout at the low of the week, automatically I'm looking for an opportunity to continue buying. So this is a reversal. To me, this failed breakout is a signal that price might be reversing, and look for an opportunity to align yourself with the new forming trend. Now, another thing happened yesterday. Price broke out of the high of the week and closed outside of the high of the week. Now, this is a failed breakout at the low. This is a breakout at the high, confirming my bias that when you come to the screen on Wednesday, your primary thesis is to look for an opportunity to buy low. I don't know. The market might continue lower up to this point. I don't know what the market will do, but my edge is if price gives me a buy low setup, then I'm getting into it because I already have a thesis on Wednesday on US30. Let's look at gold. Now, the same process. Gold on Monday sets the high and the low of the week. Now on Tuesday, price breaks out and closes outside of the low of the week. So now this is what we call a real breakout. This is a breakout. But also, if we go back a few weeks back, we have all this move. This was a three week push up. So price did make 3 levels of rise, 3 weeks, and then up here last week on Friday, this is when the last push to that area. This is where we have our last push, and then price started going down. So price is breaking down. All right. So my thesis is that I want to align myself with this move if we are now going to start trading down. I don't know if that is going to be the case, but looking at this week now, we have the high, we have the low of the week, and we have a clear breakout of that low. So my thesis coming to the screen today at 9:30, I'll be looking to sell high. As simple as that. Now, where I have a very fixed entry criteria. So my entry process is the same whether I'm buying or whether I'm selling. I just have to find a thesis, stick to it, apply my entry criteria, and everything is going to be fine. Now, looking at oil. Oil, we have the high, we have the low of the week on Monday. On Tuesday, price breaks out. Now, if you look at from last week, so on Monday, price did set the high and the low, and then Tuesday we have a breakout. On Wednesday we have a failed breakout, so we start buying on Thursday, and on Friday we continue buying, and then even Monday we continue buying. So yesterday was a buy day for me, and then now price broke out of the low of the week and closed outside of the range. That shifts my thesis from buying to selling. So yesterday price sold, so I'll be looking to align myself with this new trend. So I'm looking to sell high. So remember, this is a game of probabilities. We don't know what is going to happen, but we have a thesis. So if price gives us signs that our edge is going to play out, then we stick to our edge. Lastly, looking at US 100, it's the same as US 30. So we have day 1, day 2, day 3. Last week we had a big trend. I think from Tuesday up to yesterday we were still buying, and price has broken out and closed outside of the range. So obviously looking at this is Monday's high, price breaks out on Tuesday, closes outside of the high of the week, then the logical thing to do here would be to buy. Simple as that. My process is as simple as that. So it eliminates all the hopes. I hope the market does this. Now my mindset is, if the market does this, then this is what I'm going to do. If the market does not give me a setup, then I'm good to come the next day and look for the setup. Yesterday we had no trade. It's okay. On Monday we had a trade. It was a beautiful trade. You see, it is all a numbers game. So stick to your process, stick to your plan, stay disciplined, stay focused. And if you got value from today's video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.